At the East Valley Shelter, we don't just have old dogs, we don't just have big dogs, we've got puppies, we've got everything you want. And speaking of everything you want, meet our good friend Max. His impound number is 1310551. And Max is a wonderful 3-month-old Chihuahua puppy who came into the East Valley Shelter. He was discarded here on May 20th when his former owner just said, "Oh, I got this extra puppy that I've been breeding and I'm gonna just dump him." So here we are with this 7-pound guy who's gonna probably grow to be maybe 12 or 13 pounds. He absolutely adores belly rubs, kisses, and just being a lap dog. He is going to make an outstanding companion for anyone in any living situation. He's gonna be perfectly well adjusted, and he'll be great in an apartment situation. This is a plug and play puppy, just another one of the amazing dogs that you'll find here every day at the East Valley Shelter. So please come on down. If you don't want to adopt Max, you're going to find somebody who's just going to warm your heart.